Yes, I know where you're coming from. I went through the same memories. So you are looking for approval. You are looking for love. And you are looking for love outside, by working, and maybe you hope to get this promotion, and at the same time you are afraid because you have to work even more. Yeah, there's imbalance. So the whole situation is exhausting, and but you are through this situation, which is giving you an opportunity to go and find your love inside of you. So it isn't about the promotion. It is all about love. And the promotion doesn't give you love. You can only find love inside of you. And this is what you can achieve with the process, with the Ho'oponopono method.